Hi guys, it's Youcook here. Welcome to my channel. It's one of those days that I don't have time to grab grocery and I would just use what I have on hand and be a little creative. Today I am preparing a simple and healthy dinner using chicken breast, turned it into chicken patties with a side dish, Sin Qua stir fry with eggs. Sound complicated? Not really. You want to give it a try? Follow me if you want to prepare this recipe. Chicken breast is not the ideal meat for everyone. It is healthy, however. If you add all other ingredients and prepare it as chicken patty, that's a whole different story. For those of you who just found my channel today, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Hopefully, you can like, share, and subscribe. For my subscribers, thank you for your support. I cut my chicken breast into small chunks using a food processor. I'm adding in 2 teaspoons of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of roasted sesame seeds, then 1 teaspoon of tapioca starch. Now give it a few spins to grind the meat into a consistency like ground pork or ground chicken. You can do the same with ground pork as well. I have some leftover frozen corn, so I'm going to add in 3/4 cup of frozen corn. Then I'm going to crack in 5 eggs and give it a good mix. I'm also adding in leftover polenta from last night's dinner. My son cooked polenta and steak, and I thought this is a good addition to my recipe. Plus, I can use up leftover food and don't have to waste it. If you don't have polenta, you can actually use potato, mashed potato, or you can use jicama or white onion. You can pretty much add anything you like. Well, not just add everything, things that go with this recipe. If you're not sure what is polenta, I'm going to put a link below in the description so you can just click on it and find out what is polenta and how to make it. Quickly cook my rice on a non-stick pan. Add in about a tablespoon of cooking oil. Then pour in batches of chicken patty. Two to 3 minutes on each side and my chicken patties are done. Chicken breast is not everyone's favorite. It's not my favorite, but since I didn't go to grocery shopping and this is the only meat that left over from my freezer, so I wanted to make good use of it. I grind them up and turn it into a chicken patty, added other ingredients, and it actually tastes much better than the chicken breast itself. I hope you can give this recipe a try and let me know how it goes in the comment below. I believe I can fly. Trying to keep you stay awake here. I'm using 1 sinqua and I'm gonna go ahead and peel off the skin as much as I can. The area around the ridges are hard, so you want to make sure you take off that part of the skin very well, or it's very difficult to eat. This particular squash is a bit on the bitter side, so if you don't like it bitter, then you need to take the seeds out. For this recipe, I'm going to keep the seeds because I do like the bitterness. I'm used to it, so that's why I leave it in there. Hey, it's almost done. Now I'm just going to prepare my Sin Qua. I'm going to go ahead and whisk my 5 eggs and set it aside. Add in 1 teaspoon of cooking oil and minced garlic. Then add in my Sin Qua and give it a few stir. How do you know when the Sin Qua is cooked? The inside of the Sin Qua becomes translucent. That's when it's cooked. Then you add in the eggs and give it a few stir. However you want to stir it, it's really up to you. But the best way to do it is to use a spatula and doing the push in technique. And there you have your side dish, Sin Qua stir fry with eggs. Now I'm just going to add in my homemade sauce to balance the bitterness of the Sin Qua. You don't really have to do it. You can just do it before serving. Here I have just completed a side dish for my dinner. Here's the simple homemade sauce. Chop green onion and cilantro together. Portion is about half a cup. Now add in 1/2 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, half a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. This is about half of a cup cilantro, green onion, light soy sauce, balsamic vinegar, and sugar. Then fill water to cover all the herbs and added another half a tablespoon of sugar and about a teaspoon of ground black pepper. So if you like me, I like things a bit more spicy, so I'm adding in my sweet chili sauce. If you're not sure how to make that sweet chili sauce, refer to my previous video, sweet chili sauce. Here I added in a 1/4 tablespoon of my sweet chili sauce. And that's it for this recipe. Simple dinner with a side dish and with chicken patty served with rice. Hope you enjoy watching this video so far. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe.